Explorers to the unknown continent of North America found mystery and beauty unfolded before them, where salt and fresh water meet, purple hills, dark islands, shining cliffs. The music of the great Blue River lured them on, their first pathway to a brave new world, the River St. Lawrence. In the fullness of time, the mighty St. Lawrence would open the Great Lakes to the world, becoming a marine highway as long as the Atlantic Ocean is wide. The Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway System, a leader in reaching world markets. In 1959, employing 22,000 workers and $70 million in machinery, the United States and Canada opened a new chapter in marine transportation history, witnessing the movement of more than 2 billion tons of cargo since its inception. Considered one of the top 10 public works projects of the 20th century, the St. Lawrence Seaway connects Atlantic shipping routes to the Great Lakes Economic Zone. Today, the Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway System is a deep-water inland waterway with a competitive advantage. Its strategic location in the industrial and agricultural heartland of North America. More than 50 of the Fortune 500 industrial companies call this powerful economic sector home. 1/4 of the U.S. population and nearly half of the Canadian population live in the region. This area produces the majority of wheat, corn, soybean, iron ore, and coal for both nations. More than 70% of U.S. steel is produced in the states located there. And Ontario and Quebec, the two provinces bordering the Seaway, account for 60% of Canada's gross domestic product. Competitive access to major North American markets, an outstanding record of safety and reliability, a binational system enabling seamless transit, a world leader in maritime applications of new technology, customer-focused. The Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway System delivers an unmatched, deep-water, direct route to the heartland of the North American market. Shorter shipping distances, more rapid transit times, and proximity of major markets and world-class industries make the Seaway a competitive transit opportunity. A trip to Europe from New Orleans, Baltimore, or even New York can be shortened by starting in the Seaway's ports of Detroit or Montreal. The Seaway reaches more than 3,600 kilometers, or 2,300 miles, into the North American heartland. It provides access to many of North America's markets, directly serving Ontario and Quebec to the north, and Illinois, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Wisconsin, Minnesota, New York, and Pennsylvania to the south, opening to the Great Plains beyond. Agricultural and mining products represent the majority of all Seaway trade, and over 50 types of cargo move through the Seaway to and from the agricultural and industrial heartland of North America. The Seaway is ideal for shipping processed and manufactured cargoes. Steel slabs, lumber, gypsum, mechanical equipment, and specialty chemicals are shipped through the Seaway along with bulk agriculture and mining products. Increasingly, tourists from all over the world enjoy the beauty of the Great Lakes region and transit the system on luxury-class cruise vessels. The Seaway offers competitive access to major North American markets. The Seaway's marine route uses less fuel and ensures safer travel than either rail or truck for equivalent cargoes and distances. The auto industry already enjoys the Seaway's competitive advantage by realizing a savings of $3 to $50 per ton of steel shipped over routes to the United States Gulf of Mexico ports. Seaway ports transfer thousands of tons of cargo each and every day of the season. Through two countries, over 3,600 kilometers or 2,300 miles from open sea to inland lakes, the Canadian and United States Seaway corporations work together to make cargo shipping efficient and cost-effective. Both agencies work closely to provide Seaway users with a seamless marine transit experience. At the Port of Quebec, 150,000-ton supercargo vessels can be unloaded to 27,000-ton Seaway-sized vessels, which complete the voyage. A specialized Laker fleet provides maximum efficiency. Many are equipped with self-unloading equipment for ship-to-land or for ship-to-ship service. In 1 year, this proven transportation resource shaved $1.2 billion off the cost of shipment of iron ore, iron, steel, coal, stone, aggregates, grain, cement, and salt products. The Seaway is the leader in maritime applications of new technologies. Both Seaway corporations have implemented the Automatic Identification System-Based Traffic Management System, or AIS, making the Seaway the first inland waterway in the world to be fully AIS operational. The AIS system, soon to be mandatory worldwide, enables ship owners and operators, as well as authorized agents, to obtain immediate status of their ship from the moment it enters the Seaway until it exits. Using global positioning technology, the Seaway's AIS system tracks vessels in real time and sends other ships and ship owners and operators a constant stream of data on position, heading, speed, length, beam, and even hazardous cargo information. At the leading edge of marine technology, AIS brings greater safety, security, and efficiency to navigation in waters throughout the Seaway Great Lakes Basin. The Seaway's 21st century vision is a global gateway providing maritime commerce through a totally integrated Great Lakes St. Lawrence Waterway. The Seaway has an outstanding record of safety and reliability. Both the Canadian and United States Seaway corporations have achieved ISO International Quality Certification for marine services and continue to expand, bringing all key services to the highest level of customer satisfaction. Binational Seaway inspections are conducted prior to entering the waterway on first inbound transits of all ocean vessels to ensure safety and environmental requirements are met. The Seaway system builds on its solid infrastructure through intensive annual maintenance and long-term capital improvements. More than $500 million US and $100 million Canadian was invested by the Great Lakes and Seaway ports in the last 10 years for infrastructure improvements. The combined Seaway corporations invested a further $14 million US and nearly $200 million Canadian in navigation aids and shipping infrastructure. Other improvements include the future increasing of draft to 8.07 meters or 26.5 feet, enabling ships to carry an additional 1 million metric tons more cargo each year. Also, the Canadian and United States partners have used new technologies to extend the shipping season by 26 days, which means the season now lasts more than 9 months. With the deployment of even newer technologies and improvements in systems management, the season could be extended even further. Security throughout the Seaway system includes increased awareness, constant risk assessment, updated security procedures, and emergency preparedness, all linked through the AIS system to ensure vessel safety. Seaway control centers monitor lock operations and some 4,000 lock transits made each year by ships from over 50 countries. The Seaway corporations are focused on the customer. Customer service is enhanced through the binational Seaway website, the single most comprehensive source of information and online business services for commercial navigation. Online tools are invaluable assets for shipping efficiency. At GreatLakesSeaway.com, it is easy to calculate published shipping costs, search for new cargoes, and obtain up-to-the-minute information about Seaway transit. State-of-the-art technology drives the Seaway's superior transit efficiencies. Direct, timely, and cost-effective marine transportation with strategic access to the industrial and agricultural heartland of two great countries. The safe, efficient, and competitive gateway to world markets. The system of choice for cargo to and from Central North America. The Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway System, a leader in reaching world markets.